Good morning everyone. This is another tutorial on MS Paint. In this tutorial, we'll see some advanced features which you can apply in your drawing to make it more attractive. First, let's draw something in this Paint software. So I have taken this rectangular tool. Let's draw something. Now you can see I have drawn a drawing of our national flag. Now I want to add some text here. So you just go to this text button, click on this and drag this area and write something here. So this I have written national flag. So this is the use of text tool. Now I am using here the select button. Let's see what are the options present in the select button. Click on this. Here you will get rectangular selection, free from selection, select all, delete. Let's see one by one. This is rectangular selection. Click on this. Click the area you want to select. Suppose I want to select this national flag here. So I have selected this as a rectangular selection. Now you can do crop, resize. You can rotate this figure using this selection tool. Now here you can see rotate option is here. Click on this. Here you see a lot of option is there. Rotate right 90 degree. If you click on this, then your figure will be rotated right 90 degree. You just see here. I want to create a flip image of this. So first I'll copy this image. So if I want to delete this national flag, so what you have to do? You have to go to the select tool, rectangular selection, and then drag your mouse button and select this national flag. This you can see a dotted rectangular has appeared. Now you go to this select tool and then delete. Now you can see this national flag, the text written here has been deleted. Now let's work on our drawing. I have selected this drawing and I want to make a copy of this. Then select this drawing using rectangular selection, right click, copy, and then go to other drawing area and then paste. Now you can see similar image of our drawing has been created. Now I want to work on one part of the drawing to make you clear about other options present in the rotate button. So click on this rotate, go to this flip vertical. See what happened. This image is vertically flipped. It has created a mirror image of your original image. Now again go to this rotate, flip vertical. If I want to make this mirror image as horizontal, then flip horizontal. See, I am going to join this two. So this is how you have created a mirror image of your original drawing. I have used flip horizontal tool here for creating a mirror image. Now let's see other options present. Let's work on crop tool. Let's see what it says. Select rectangular selection I have taken. Select this. I have selected this flag area only. Click on crop. See what has happened. The area selected in rectangular selection has been cropped. Now let's see other features present here. See, this is undo tool and this one is redo. Undo shortcut is Ctrl Z. Undo is used to recover the mistakes made by you during drawing, and redo is used to make the undo mistakes recover. Okay, so let's demonstrate it with an example. Suppose I have selected this drawing area. I click on crop. Now this drawing area has been cropped. I think this is not sufficient. I want my original drawing back. So just click on undo button. So you have got your drawing area back. Now if you want that crop has been the correct selection, then click on this redo button. See what is the difference. If you click on this undo, the original figure will come, and if you click on this redo, then whatever you have done in your drawing, it will appear. So I want my original figure, so I'll click on undo button. Now let's see what are the tools present in this view option. Zoom in, it will make your drawing look larger. See, like this. Zoom out, it will take your drawing to the original position. So this is zoom in and zoom out. Now this is size of your screen, it is 100%. You can make it some other percent. From here also you can make the size of screen larger or smaller. Okay, now let's see other tools. These are the rulers which is marked as checked. So if I uncheck this box, then rulers will disappear, and if I'll check this, then rulers will appear on your screen. Now this is full screen option. If you click on this, or your drawing will come in the full screen section. Press escape. Now let's move to home button. Here you have resize option. It will resize the view of your drawing. So just I am taking this. Now click OK. See what has happened. The screen size has been resized as 40. So if you want the original screen, then again undo, Ctrl Z. So this is what we have got our original screen. Another tool that was left is the magnifier. It is present in the tools group. Click on this magnifier. A rectangular selection will come. See, a rectangular screen is now appeared. Click on this rectangular screen on the area you want to zoom in. So I am clicking this flag area. See, this makes your drawing look larger. Again, more larger, more larger. Okay, so this is what zoom in. So if you want to go back, so zoom out option is there. Other shapes tools that we can use here are this heart shape. Let's see. These are the heart shapes tools. Here is brushes tool. Let's see what this tool does. I am taking this brush tool and making the thickness of the brush higher. See, these are the brush tool. So these are all advanced options present in MS Paint. Now I want to save this drawing. Then click on this paint button, go to save. A window will appear. You just give any file name, like I am giving paint. Click on save. Now your drawing has been saved. Now I want to make this drawing as my desktop background. So just click on this paint button. Click on set as desktop background. Select type. Now you can see your drawing is now set as your desktop background. So this is how we are applying more advanced features in Paint. Thank you students. I hope this video will be very helpful for you all.